Hi, I'm Emmett Irwin, and I'm here to talk to you about where your hearing is going to be if it's at the Baltimore location of the Social Security office. It's a little loud around here, so I'm going to have to keep my voice up, but this is 1010 Park Avenue. If you see this sign, you're in the right place. Your hearing is going to be either on the second floor or the third floor of the Social Security office. Video hearings are usually on the second floor, and live hearings are usually on the third floor. Now, if you're lost, just start looking up in the sky, because there's a lot of buildings around here that can be your landmarks. Across the street is the University of Baltimore parking garage on Cathedral Avenue. And there are a couple signs that say Martin Luther King Boulevard, although this is really Cathedral Street. And Park Avenue is the street you're seeing now. But it's a little tough because Park Avenue becomes Biddle Street, and so you are going to be very confused. But if you see all the landmarks that I just showed you, then you should be able to find this place. Also, look for a Domino's Pizza and a 7-Eleven right next to each other. If you see that, go to your right, your right-hand side, and you'll see this hearing, you'll see the back of the building here. Now, I want to talk about your hearing. You need a lawyer. No matter what anybody told you, you cannot do it by yourself. You need a lawyer or a representative. There's no such thing as a slam dunk case anymore in Social Security. The judges are really tough. So if you do go by yourself, and I don't recommend it, but if you do, remember that you have to get the medical records in at least 5 business days before the hearing. So a business day does not count the weekend, and it doesn't count federal holidays. So it can be as many as 9 real days before the hearing. You have to get all of your medical records. Don't just get some. Get all of your medical records for the last 3 or 4 years. However long you've been disabled for. Get those medical records, okay? And then you have to bring them here to the Symphony Center, to 1010 Park Avenue, and give your medical records to the clerk up on the 3rd floor. Remember, the 3rd floor is where the clerk is. The 2nd floor is just the regular Social Security office where people go to apply and to get a new Social Security card. The 3rd floor is where you want to go to prepare for your hearing. Now, if you decide that you need a lawyer or another representative, you can ask the judge for a postponement for your first hearing. It almost always gets granted for you to go get a lawyer if you don't have one. So you can go, show up for your day, show up for your hearing day. Social Security almost never grants a postponement prior to the hearing. You have to show up and ask the judge in person for a postponement, okay? Then you'll have about 3 or 4 months till your next hearing. So, you have to get a representative quickly, because they will need to order all of your medical records, okay? So I hope this helps. Good luck in your hearing, and goodbye.